Them damn birds are just talking. They're talking their heads off. I turned my phone on, and motherfuckers stopped talking. I was trying to get my. I'm sitting here, and I missed my bluebird came down finally. There they go. I'm like, where you at, you bastards? I was sitting there trying to talk to them. You know, do one with nature people. And I missed my bluebird. He's up in the tree up here. Oops, sorry, that's my bad. That's my phone. Old like me. There it goes. All right. Well, but anyway, that's what I was doing. Peace.